Hello YouTube. I was offered this power hacksaw. It is a great captain. Okay, here with the electric engine. It is a two-phase electric engine with over here over here with a pump for the cutting to circulate the cutting fluid. Okay, the vise is missing here, the jaws, everything is stuck. This was for more than 15 years outdoors. Okay, and I have some questions. If you can please help me and give me some answers. Okay, to help to identify the tool, this is a 14-inch saw blade. Okay, and first of all, I looked on the net and I do not understand what is this component here for. I know here in this I don't know how to call it, wheel, and for sure there was here something attached to this and somehow attached to this hole, and probably this eccentric wheel over here would oscillate, would swing the arm during the cutting during the cutting movements. Now here the lever is broken, okay, but it still works. And here we have the protection. Here there is a bracket to hold here a protection that we are missing. And my question is, since this is the first machine that I intend to restore, and I know nothing about engines or machines or electricity whatsoever, at least for the mechanical parts, I'd like to know if what is this part that I'm missing here, how it does connect to the rest of the machine, what is this for here, this, and if you have any pictures or operation manuals for this machine, I would be very pleased and very grateful. Well, that's all for now, and thank you very much for your help.